We're in Ketchikan, Alaska, and let's go check it out. Let's check out Grab and Go. Alright, so that was really good.
The crab legs were really good.
And now let's go check out a lumberjack show. So that was the lumberjack show. It was really fun. If you ever come to Ketchikan, you should definitely do it.
If you go to the lumberjack show and then come to Diamonds International, you have to say yo-ho and you can get free earrings. So that was Ketchikan. It was our first stop on this trip.
It was my favorite so far. Come back next time to see what we do in Juneau.
Goodbye.